Hello everyone, welcome to the SolidWorks tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn SolidWorks boundary boss command. It is similar to the lofted boss. To use these two commands, we need two sketch profiles on two different planes. We cannot use these commands with single profile. So let's get started. Go base planes, select a plane, go to the features, add a plane. This is parallel to top plane. This distance is 125 mm. This is the offset distance. Click OK. Now we will create two sketch profiles on two different planes. Go to the sketch, click on sketch, take here circle, select plane 1, make it normal, draw a circle, mention it, close the sketch, click on sketch once again, select top plane, rectangle wise center, make it normal, rectangle. Dimension it with smart dimension. Sketch. Now we have created two sketches. Go to the features on boundary boss and select the profiles. Now boundary boss has been applied on these profiles. Like it is twisted. To remove this twist, just place this green dot on the appropriate that it will update. In this, we have options like normal to profile or vector. So we will make it normal to profile. You can see this is updated. Click OK. Just reduce the length of this 25, that it will be looks like this one. Two faces, give distance as 5 mm. It is shell. So this is the boundary boss command. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updated videos. Thank you.